Good morning, students. I, Mrs. Steffi Fernandez, class teacher of Standard 4th, teaching in Shet Vidya Mandir English High School and Junior College. Welcome you all. Today we are going to learn a poem. Lesson number 5, 6 Honest Serving Men from your English textbook. So students, let's start. Lesson number 5, 6 Honest Serving Men. It's a poem. First paragraph. I'm doing the reading now, students. I keep 6 honest serving men. They taught me all I knew. Their names are what and why and when and how and where and who. Explanation. The poet says that he keeps 6 honest serving men at home who taught him all he knew. Their names are what, why, when, how, where, and who. The next para. I send them over land and sea. I send them east and west. But after they have worked for me, I give them all a rest. Explanation. He sends them over land and sea means to different places like east and west. But after they have worked for him, he gives them rest. Next para. I let them rest from 9 to 5, for I am busy then, as well as breakfast, lunch, and tea, for they are hungry men. Explanation. He tells them to rest from 9 to 5, for at that time he is busy. He also allows them to rest during breakfast, lunch, and tea, because they are hungry men. Next para. But different folk have different views. I know a person small. She keeps 10 million serving men who gave no rest at all. Explanation. The poet says different folk. Folk means people have different opinions. He knows a small person who keeps 10 million serving men and they get no rest at all. Next para. She sends them abroad on her own affairs. From the second she opens her eyes, 1 million house, 2 million ways, and 7 million whys. Explanation. The moment she opens her eyes, she sends them to various places to do her work. He says she sends 1 million house, 2 million ways, and 7 million whys. This poem is written by Rudyard Kipling. Meanings: folk, people. M, them. Sends M abroad on her own affairs means sends them away to other places to do their work. Homework. First, read the poem and write it down 2 times in your rough book. Second, write the answers to the following questions. First, who has taught the poem all he knew? The 6 honest serving men taught the poet all he knew. Second, when does the poet give them all a rest? Answer. The poet gave them all a rest after they worked for him. Question number 3. Who keeps 10 million serving men? Answer. A small person, the poet knows, keeps 10 million serving men. Fourth, do the serving men of the small person get any rest? Answer. No. The serving men of the small person get no rest at all. Question number 5. Write the names of the 6 serving men. Answer. The names of the 6 serving men are what, why, when, how, where, and who. Okay, students. Now read the poem and write all the question answers given to you. Goodbye and thank